Hello, good morning. This is from Service Department. This is Irish speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order for my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and your number, please?
My name is Miracle Completo and room 456.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order, may I take your order now?
Can I order a continental breakfast, one regular coffee and muffin?
Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you our orange juice? It's also under in your continental breakfast. Would you like me to add it in your breakfast, ma'am?
No.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You ordered one regular coffee and one muffin for your breakfast. Did I get your orders right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or charge it to your room?
Just charge it to my room.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served in 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. You have a nice day. Room service. Room service. Room service. Good morning, ma'am. Are you my friend Completo from room 456? Okay, ma'am. Here's your room service order. May I come in, please? By the way, ma'am, I am Irish Manes, your room service attendant. Should I leave the food on your tray or should I put it on the table? Put it on my table. Okay, ma'am. Would you like me to open the window, ma'am, for you to brighten up the room? No, thanks. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, here is your breakfast. This is your muffin and your regular coffee. Is there anything else that you need, ma'am? Nothing. Okay, ma'am. When do you want me to come back to clean your side dishes? After 1 hour, please. Okay, ma'am. Is there anything else? Okay, ma'am. If you're ready, just call us and dial 111. Thank you and enjoy your breakfast and have a nice day.